Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today in this video we are going to see an important fellowship, the Bhumi Fellowship 2021 to 2022 for final year students or pass out graduates. The Bhumi Fellowship 2021 for final year students or graduates. This is the Bhumi Fellowship is an initiative to improve quality of education. And in this, a grant of rupees 18,000 per month and other benefits will be given in this particular fellowship, Bhumi Fellowship. Remember, the Bhumi Fellowship for the year 2021 and year 2022 for the final year student and graduates. I am Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKIs, Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. Our college is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, SPPU Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. Yes, the last date, any scholarship is there, first you have to check it out. What will be the last date? 30th December 2021 is the last date for the Bhumi Fellowship. The Bhumi Fellowship is an initiative of Bhumi, a non-governmental organization, that is an NGO, that aims to create a cadre of change makers who can transform schools in short term and lead the next movement in education in the long run. So this is the special initiative has been taken by the Bhumi non-NGO, yes, that is a non-government organization. NGO is there. It has been given for those to transform the schools in short term, and it is lead to a next generation long term planning in the education. The fellowship is for 2 years, non-residential program for young graduates committed to improving the quality of education in India. So those students who are interested in teaching, so they can go for this fellowship, and those who are in the final year graduates or those who are the graduates are there, this particular Bhumi fellowship is there for the 2 years. Now, what is the profile of Bhumi fellows? The Bhumi fellows will get an opportunity to engage the following teaching and capacity building activities. What they are going to do it in this particular capacity of building activities, the teaching grade 3 to 5 children foundational literacy, English and the numeracy, that is the mathematics. So they have to teach the English and mathematics to the grade 3 to 5. Capacity development of teachers through sharing and learning circle. Leadership development for school leaders and headmasters. Strengthening parental participation and investment. So they have to be have with the association with the parents and their participation, and they can start investment in that particular school so that the school can grow, and whatever the facility which is required for that school for the upgradation, they can invest into that. Identify the problems faced by the school. That is very, very important. Yes, those fellows are there who are working in that particular school. They have to identify the what he is facing the problem in the school or in the community, or designing the solution, whatever he is planning for that particular school. How he is going to make out the designs, and how he is going to face the problem, and how he is going to make out this problem into result, and what are his plannings are there. He has to make out that plans. Now, for this Bhumi Fellowship, what will be the eligibility? It is open for the candidates. Yes, all it is open for all India level or final year. Yes, those who are there candidates who are in a final year student or graduates between 20 to 30 years of age. Remember, the age is given. It is between the 20 to 30 years. Have passed volunteering or work experience in any field. Yes, it should may have somebody may have the volunteering or work experience in the field, are passionate about the transforming the education system, and are willing to commit to a 2 years full fellowship program. So once you're committed, you have to go for the 2 years. Now, what are the benefits in this Bhumi fellowship? The selected fellow will receive the following benefits. A monthly grant of rupees 18,000 rupees. All program related expenses like a phone, travel, stationery will be reimbursed additionally as per the policy. Yes, there will be phone, travel and stationery that will be additionally it will be reimbursement. What are the documents are required? No documents are required at the time of application. So no document is required. Now how you have to go to this particular application, how you can apply for this scholarship for the fellowship. So the Bhumi Fellowship Scholarship, this particular material we have been taken from Buddy for Study, the scholarship portal. So you have to go to that scholarship portal. You have to register your ID over there with your email ID, mobile, Facebook or Gmail account. Once you are registered, you have to redirect to the official website of the Bhumi Fellowship, and there you have to start, register the button and proceed for the fellowship. Fill all the required detail and submit the details, whatever the details are there, you have to submit. So those students who are there in the final year and those who are the graduates are there whose age is between 20 to 30 years may have the experience of teaching or some volunteering one, but they are willing or passionate about joining this fellowship and have to work for 2 years in that fellowship in upgradation of the school 3 to 5th grade school children, and they have to make the communication with the parents, teachers, then the headmasters, and he has to make a planning for the upliftment of that particular school and whatever the technology or whatever the plans are there, he has to made for that particular school. He has to make that, and whatever the problem challenges he has got, he has to explain to that NGO. So this is the non-NGO scholarship is there, the Bhumi Fellowship for the year 2021 and year 2021. I hope this is clear. I have been cleared the message. Those who are interested, they can go to the Buddy for Study Scholarship, Buddy for Study Scholarship portal, and straightway make your registration and whatever the document which are required over there, make the scan with the high density, high resolution, and upload them as soon as. There is no need any money, just the online, you have to fill the form, iPad or mobile or your laptop is there, or you can go to the cyber cafe. But we keep in pandemic the safe distance, keep yourself safe, your family, and avoid unnecessarily coming out and go into the crowd. Thank you.